Hello guys, I have some issue about the Excel in iPhone. When I open the Excel and then if I want to type something in my Excel, I'm typing but it's not showing. I check YouTube, Google, everywhere but I couldn't find any answer. And then I find that this one myself, I thought, you see, I'm typing but it's not showing right now. If you have the same problem, I'm gonna show you how you can fix it. We're gonna delete our app, uh, but we need to log out first to account. But make sure you have save it to your project. Save some storage, and then you can log out, and then we can delete it. Let's see. Now I'm gonna delete this app. Uninstall. We're going to back App Store. Searching Excel. Finding it. We're gonna reinstall. Download app again. I'm downloading again. I'm waiting that. It was easy, but nobody find it. I checked some forum, like people writing something, but nobody know that. Some guys trying to do shut down the phone, like reset, update phone. It's not working. I also was updating my phone, but it didn't work. Okay, and we need to log in again. Same account or different account, wherever you have. We need to log in back. And then we're gonna choose our project from the phone, wherever you save it. I saved my project before deleting the app on my storage. Now, you see, it's fixed it. It's so easy. There was a app issue and then I solved my problem like this. Maybe this is gonna be help to you. Thank you for watching.